Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Workout. This is Comedy and as usual I want to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Come with me.
Hello again, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia and today I want to show you this beautiful area of Istanbul. First of all, I want to thank you for choosing my video, and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. Today I'm in Eminönü neighborhood and around Grand Bazaar. This area is one of the touristic spots and historical place. Tram station is nearby. Buses and taxis all around. Most of the people in this area are tourists. And you can see beautiful and traditional restaurants and cafes in this area. Eminönü is one of the oldest neighborhoods of Istanbul. Located in the center of the old city area. Eminönü is the center and focus point of incredibly rich history. It is surrounded by the Galata Bridge, the Golden Horn, and up on the hill by the Topkapi Plazas, the Blue Mosque, Sultan Ahmed Jami, and Hagia Sophia or Hagia Sophia. A must-visit place to spend time. The best way to reach here is to take tram either from Sultan Ahmed area or from taxi. If you're enjoying this video, subscribe and set the bell to get the notifications. Walking in this area is so enjoyable and interesting. Hope you enjoying this walking tour too. Thanks for watching my friends. Don't forget to subscribe and set the bell. Love you all.